I am going to invite Angela Sheikh. Please come on the stage and deliver speech.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. My name is Hanzala Sheikh. I study in third standard. I would like to thank my respected sir to giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. I am going to say the quote of Nelson Mandela. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background. His religion, people learn to hate, and if they can be taught to love God, love comes more naturally to the human here. Then it's opposite. Now I am going to end my speech. Thank you so much to all of you for listening my speech.